If you're retired or getting close to it, you know how important it is to have a secure retirement portfolio that won't be shaken by the next financial storm. But here's the truth: even if you've been saving for years, the markets are unpredictable, and many portfolios could easily be caught off guard by economic uncertainty. But what if I told you there's a way to protect your wealth so it feels rock solid, no matter what happens next in the world? Stick with me to the end, and I'll show you exactly how. Let's talk about what's happening right now. The economy is fragile, inflation is high, and we're all seeing the cost of living creep up every month. On top of that, the stock market has been a roller coaster ride lately, with sudden drops and wild swings. Most retirees are relying on their 401ks or IRAs to fund their retirement. But are these investments really as secure as you think? You've probably heard about gold IRAs. And if you haven't, here's why you should care. Gold has been a proven store of value for centuries, surviving market crashes, inflation, and even entire economic collapses. Now, more than ever, as inflation eats away at the dollar's value, a gold IRA could be the perfect solution to stabilize your portfolio. But here's where it gets really interesting. Gold IRAs aren't just for protecting against inflation. They also act as a hedge against the volatility in the stock market. And with the recent banking instability and growing financial concerns, more retirees are starting to realize that traditional investments aren't going to keep them safe anymore. Let me explain. Gold has always been a safe haven during economic crises. Just look at the last time the markets took a major hit in 2008. While stocks were tanking, gold prices soared. Now, experts are predicting another economic downturn is on the horizon, meaning gold could be the key to making your portfolio feel like a rock when everything else is shaky. But don't just take my word for it. According to recent news, even some of the biggest names in finance are advising people to get more exposure to gold. You've probably seen headlines about the dollar's weakening and experts warning of a possible recession. This is the time to make sure your portfolio is resilient. So, what's the big secret? How do you make your portfolio feel like a rock? It's simple. Diversify with a gold IRA. Not just any gold IRA, though. You need a service that's tailored to you, one that helps you protect your retirement with a strategy that makes sense for your unique financial situation. That's where we come in. We offer a free gold IRA guide and a no-obligation call to help you understand your options. If you have $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k, we'll give you a personalized consultation to see if a gold IRA makes sense for you. And the best part? There's absolutely no pressure to make any decisions right away. You'll get one-on-one education to make sure you're fully informed, with no gimmicks, no sales tactics, just real information. If you're serious about protecting your wealth for the future, don't wait for the next economic crisis to hit. Take control now. Your hard-earned savings deserve the best protection possible. If you want to learn more about how to secure your portfolio with a gold IRA, click the link below to get your free guide and schedule your call. Remember, your retirement is for you and your family's future. It's not just about today, it's about tomorrow. Let's make sure your wealth is ready for whatever comes next.